In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Butler automation in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, but it can get a bit overwhelming without proper organization. That's where Butler comes in. Butler is Trello's automation feature that helps simplify your workflows and saves you valuable time. So let's dive right in and learn how to set up some automation using Butler. First things first, open your Trello application and navigate to the specific board where you'd like to apply this automation. It's a good idea to pick a board where you have ongoing tasks, as this is where Butler will really shine. Once you have your board open, look toward the top right area. You should see an option called Rules under the Butler Automation section. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're inside the Rules panel, you'll want to start creating your automation. Click on the Create Automation button. This will allow you to build a custom rule from scratch, tailored just for your workflow. Next, it's time to set the trigger for your automation. You'll notice a button that says Plus Add Trigger. Click on that and a menu will pop up with different categories. For our example today, we want to focus on card changes, so select that option. Now within the card changes category, look for the specific trigger that reads, "When the card is marked as complete by me." This is a fantastic trigger if you want to automate actions based on your own completed tasks. Once you've found it, click the plus icon to add this trigger to your rule. Now we need to define what action should happen when that trigger occurs. Scroll through the list of available actions in the panel. You'll find various options that you can choose from. Today, we're going to go with Archive the Card. This action will automatically archive any card that you mark as complete, which helps keep your board uncluttered. Just like you did with the trigger, click the plus icon next to the Archive the Card action to add it to your rule. Fantastic! You've set up your trigger in action, so now it's time to save and enable your new automation. Click the Save button at the bottom right of the panel to finalize your rule. Now, you're back to your rules list. This is where you can see all the automations you've set up. Look for your brand new automation and make sure that the toggle switch next to it is turned on. This ensures that your automation is active and working for you. And that's it. You've successfully set up a simple Butler automation in Trello. Congratulations! With this automation, every time you mark a card as complete, it will automatically get archived, saving you from having to manually tidy up your board. I hope you found this guide useful. If you want to learn more about Trello's features, or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!